One additional topic we'll look at is different approaches to organizing your sources. Oftentimes, when you have a large list of sources, it can be difficult to know how to organize them within the literature review. But we're going to look at a few main strategies to solve that dilemma. The first is to organize your sources chronologically. So you would trace the development of the research over time, starting from the earliest sources and moving to the most current. This creates sort of a natural flow of information as we get to see how research and ideas and theories in a particular topic developed over the course of time. And I would say it's probably the most commonly done method, though there are many more. Thematic is another way you can organize your sources, in which you would organize them according to what themes and ideas are central to them. So, for example, if you're doing an anthropological research paper, articles and research that is focused on tools would be grouped together, and then articles and research that are more focused on the human element would be grouped together. So that's another example of a strategy you could take. A third approach is methodological, in which you organize sources according to what research methods they utilized. And for example, you group qualitative sources together and quantitative sources together, or you would group like participant studies together and then group field research together. So those are three very commonly used means to organize your sources, but by no means are they the only means. There are many other methods that you could research on the internet, or that if a given method feels very appropriate to you for your source or for your paper, I would go ahead and look into that method and use that. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.